Good morning, students and families. I'm just making this video to show you how you can navigate the different courses within Schoology. So as I mentioned in my video, logging into Schoology, once you log in, you will see all of your courses that you are enrolled in. Again, I'm going to mention my screen may look a little different than your students because I am in a teacher screen. So, as I mentioned, there are three different courses that meaning my class, is going to be utilizing during this distance learning. We have one that's just called first grade, and of course, I've changed the background to let you know that that is a course that we are using. We are also using the first grade math, and we are using the first grade reading. So I ask that every morning when you log in to your student Schoology to start their schoolwork, I would like you to check this first grade one first. So we're going to click on this. And you will see we have different folders for week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4. We're not really sure how long we're going to be doing distance learning, but I went ahead and prepared for at least the first 4 weeks. For week 1, you will click on that, and then there's for each day of the week, there will be information. So I would ask that you go in and you check those every day. The first thing I want you to do is when you click on this course, I want you to click over here where it says updates. Now that may look a little bit different on your student's end, but just find where it says updates or announcements and you will click on that. Then you will see an announcement. So this is one that I made. It says, "Good morning, students and families. I have posted some links and videos to help you begin your journey with Schoology." And then anytime you see words that are in blue, if you hover over it, you will see that that is a clickable link. So this is where in this course, in the updates, is where I'm going to be posting a lot of how-to videos, including this video on how to navigate the courses. Then if you want to go back to courses, you just click on courses and then you could click over on the math. Then again, you can click on that week 1, day 1, and you will see all of the things that I'm wanting your student to do. Now, the way I am setting up courses is that I am going to have them all available all the time. So week 1 will be available during week 1, but you will have access to all 4 days. The reason I did this, and the same as one I'll explain in reading in a different video, is because, I don't know, the access that you and your families have, how many days a week your student is going to be able to log on. We do ask that they try to log in every day, but I know that might not be feasible for some families. So I wanted to make sure if your student is only able to log in maybe twice a week, that they do have access to all the week's materials. So they can do that in 2 days. They can stretch it out. It really, I'm trying to make this as flexible as I can for your student and your family. So again, there's the math one. You can go back to courses. And then right here, there's the reading one. And again, the same thing. You can go to week 1. All of the day's materials will be posted there. Also, there's a messaging feature up here where you can send messages to me. Also, on the updates, there is a spot for, let me go back to the update I posted. There is a space for you to comment here. If you have a question about it, I really encourage you to post a comment, and then everyone else will be able to kind of see your questions, because some people may actually have the same question. Of course, if it is a private matter that you don't want other people to read, absolutely send me a message. I am going to try to do most of my messaging through the Schoology platform as that is what the district has requested us to do. However, if you encounter any problems, you're not able to log in, please message me on Class Dojo. That is the quickest way. As you all have known, that's the quickest way to get a hold of me, and I will try to walk you through it the best I can. Okay, I do have a couple other videos I'm going to make, and I hope that these are helpful to you, and I appreciate all the support you're providing for your students at home during this time of distance learning.